Welcome back to Satani Lana. Today we'll be talking about this classic Bernina G-scale engine, and it's not working. The problem is that the decoder is kaput, and we've obtained a new decoder to install, which is not the direct replacement. It is an emotion equivalent or replacement alternative. But the problem is we do not have a wiring diagram, and we do not know exactly where the cables need to be exactly connected to, and without the wiring diagram it's going to make it extremely difficult. You can see here from the image that's in the top of the screen the replacement unit that we're been given to install. And if there's anybody out there that has a wiring diagram, has advice, or can guide us to the correct place where we can obtain the wiring diagram in order that we can disconnect all of these cables and install them in the correct manner to which we can get the Loco working again. In the information that we have, you can see the logo emotion ID number, and you can also see the information on the emotion replacement decoder for any reference. Any help will be really gratefully appreciated, and if we can get this one going, I'll do a really nice little video of showing it running around the garden, all working happily and neatly again. Thanks for watching, congratulations for getting to the end of this video, and look forward to hearing from you.